you, Dr. M.C. Sudhakar, for his address. ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿ Dr. Sudhakar.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ದಿನ BDT ಕಾಲೇಜ್, ಈಗ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ BDT ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ 75 ವರ್ಷಗಳ ಸಾಧಕ ಪಯಣದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ 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 ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಿರ್ಮಲಾನಂದನಾಥ ಮಹಾಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿಯವರ ಪಾದಾರವಿಂದಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆಯನ್ನು ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರದ ಉಪಾಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉಪರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿಗಳು ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ CP ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ರವರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಗಣಿತವೇತ್ತ ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರು, ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯಗಳ ಕುಲಾಧಿಪತಿಗಳು ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ತಾವರ್ ಚಂದ್ ಗೆಹ್ಲೋಟ್ ರವರೇ, ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು, ಆತ್ಮೀಯರು, ಗಣಿ ಮತ್ತು ಭೂವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಹಾಗೂ ತೋಟಗಾರಿಕೆ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ SS ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ರವರೇ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರಭಾ ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್ ರವರೇ, ಮೈಸೂರು ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಡಗು ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಹಾಗೂ ಮೈಸೂರು ರಾಜರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಯದುವೀರ ಕೃಷ್ಣದತ್ತ ಚಾಮರಾಜ ಒಡೆಯರ್ ಅವರೇ, AICTಯ ಮಾಜಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ FTE ಅಂಡ್ Mನ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಗವರ್ನರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ TG ಸೀತಾರಾಮ್ ರವರೇ, ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ S ವಿದ್ಯಾಶಂಕರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಶಾಸಕ ಮಿತ್ರರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ T ರಘುಮೂರ್ತಿ ಅವರೇ, BP ಹರೀಶ್ ಅವರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಾಜಿ ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ, ಶಾಸಕ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಕಾರಣಭೂತರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಜಿ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳೇ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ, ಕುವೆಂಪು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಶ್ವೇಶ್ವರಯ್ಯ ತಾಂತ್ರಿಕ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಜಿ ಕುಲಪತಿಗಳೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಸುಮಾರು 21 ಜನ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ಇದುವರೆಗೂ ಈಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಂತೆ ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಗೆ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿವೃತ್ತ ಹಾಗೂ ಹಾಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರೇ, ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಿಂದ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಗಳಿಸಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಓದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಯುಮಿನಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರೇ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರೇ, ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರೇ, ಮಾಧ್ಯಮ ಮಿತ್ರರೇ, it gives me immense pride and pleasure to be part of this Platinum Jubilee celebrations of this wonderful academic institution, which has probably grown beyond all of our imaginations. I have a memory of being here probably way back in 1986. I was joined for Bachelor of Dentistry here in Davangere. So I used to pass across this institution, probably the hostel, because our hostel was situated next to this hostel. I have fond memories of playing cricket with this illustrious institution cricket team. So it's a long journey. I never imagined that one day I would be standing before all of you and to be part of this great journey of 75 years of celebrations of success and glory. I think it is a great occasion for all of us, and this great occasion is being inaugurated by none other than the Vice President of this country. I think it is a great moment for all the alumni members, as well as all the past principals, vice chancellors, and the present students of this institution. Gone are those days of just doing engineering graduation and then trying to seek a job. I think we are in the era where skilling is of utmost importance, and I am really happy to say this is one of the first government institutions established way back in 1951, and already they have mentioned about the contributions of the people who are responsible to start this institution and how the princely state, the Maharaja, has supported this institution all throughout. And now I think this has grown beyond all our imaginations after coming under the umbrella of Vishweshwaraya Technological University. So now I would proudly say that amongst our all government institutions, or rather our constituent colleges of VTU, this is the best institution, engineering college, in the state of the Karnataka. We have many private institutions which are way ahead, but still, I would say that this institution is not lagging behind, and I think it is the efforts of all those principals who have really committed themselves to the growth of this institution to be an institution of high academic excellence. I don't want to take much of your time. It's already, we are running late. So once again, I wish VTU is going to concentrate more on a lot of other things to be done here. The first thing to be addressed is the hostel facility. I feel it is, I think all the alumni people would come and see. Probably they might be going and seeing the hostel room which I stayed is the same what I had stayed probably 20, 30 years ago. I think the immediate attention of VTU, I have already spoken to the Vice Chancellor, immediate attention to be given to the hostel facility. The rest of the facilities, I don't think they requires much, because they're already on par with all the private institutions in the state of Karnataka. So I wish a grand success in the days to come. Already you are a successful institution by achieving NBA, that is the National Board Accreditation, is already been acquired by this government institution and our constituent institution. I think many more strides to be done in the future days, and we need to concentrate more on skilling, and skilling is the order of the day, and more skill centers are already here, and in the days to come, I think we're going to establish much more big skilling establishment in this great institution. I assure all the alumni friends and all the students who are here, I think your institution is going to be a feather in the cap. It's already a feather in the cap of the state of Karnataka, and in the days to come, I think it will be one of the best institutions, and we are all looking forward for the day, and the day is also going to be much sooner than what we all of us imagine. So I thank all the organizers for inviting me to be part of this great celebration, and also a great journey which has been for the past 75 years and many more years to come. And probably, I don't know whether all of us will be there to witness the centenary celebration of this institution. I think by the time we celebrate the centenary institution, there could be something else before us. The way the advancement, the technological advancement, the innovations and the inventions, what are happening around the world, probably I think we need to catch up as early as possible. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
With rapid technological advancement and global competition, ladies and gentlemen,